Hi, resident builder Peter Wolfkamp, and I'm standing in my now completed cabin, which is at the back of our Huis Project. It is a 10 square metre space. I wanted it to be warm, dry and comfortable. So how did I achieve that? Well, I started with making good choices about all the materials that I used. So let me walk you through it. I've got J-frame framing for all of my wall framing and also for my rafters. Once the building was framed up, I've sheathed it in IBS rigid wrap, which is an exterior sheathing, gives me bracing and durability on the outside of the building, also made it weathertight. Once I'd framed up the roof, I used ProClimate Exana roofing underlay, and then I've also used some cool roof technology before I fitted the colour steel true oak roof as well. I've used the true oak colour steel on the roof. I've also used it on the exterior cladding, and on these front faces I've simply gone for a traditional batten and board. I've packed the walls and the roof space full of green stuff insulation, and I've achieved a higher R value than what's required by the current building code. And then underneath the skillion roof, I've also used the ProClimate Intello building paper to help me control moisture inside the building. When it comes to wall lining, I've opted to go for the Triboard 400 wide tongue and groove panels. These have proven to be both durable and practical, and they come up great with a coat of paint. And inside here, well, I've used Resene paints right throughout on the inside and the outside of the building, including, because I've opted for a dark colour on the outside, I've used the CoolColour technology to allow me to paint dark colours onto a timber surface. I've used double glazed joinery. I've got some underfloor heating by the guys at Warmup because I want to be able to control moisture, humidity, condensation inside this building. And I've got to say, right now, it feels pretty good, it looks pretty good, and I'm confident that it will last for a long time. That's all about making good choices right throughout the build process.